Hello, good day. This is the first of Attorney Sheludele, and I'm here to quickly repeat to you in few minutes how to set up GetResponse account in 5 minutes and receive $30 gift from GetResponse. But before I go forward, the essence of this video is to help those people, my colleagues in affiliate marketing business. And one thing you need to understand is this: there are 3 steps to affiliate business setup success. If you miss these 3 steps, then you are not going to have any success doing affiliate marketing business. And number 1 thing is web page setup, such as pre-sale page, squeeze page, and thank you page. And number 2 is email marketing setup, which includes setting up your autoresponder account with GetResponse or Aweber. And by my experience, I will recommend Aweber and GetResponse. Before now, some of my friends or colleagues always query which autoresponder is the best. And like I said, some people say maybe MailChimp, GetResponse, Aweber, and the likes. But like I said, to my experience, I use GetResponse. And another thing I would want to tell you is that forget about MailChimp if you want to really be successful in affiliate marketing business, because MailChimp is like they are not that good, they are not that friendly with affiliate marketing. So having got these 2 right, setting up your web pages and then getting your email marketing set up, then it is time for you to go ahead to run campaign to promote your product using Facebook or any other advertisement platform that is on fashion, that is good for you. So that is basic 3 steps to affiliate business setup and success. If you miss these 3 steps, then you have missed being successful in doing affiliate marketing business, either on Expertnaire, JVZoo, ClickBank, and any other you can mention. But today, let's go back to the topic and the teaching, which is how to set up GetResponse account in 5 minutes and receive $30 gift from GetResponse. And first thing first, what do you need to set up your account with GetResponse? You will need email address. Like I said, that is, you can see on the screen, email address. Customized email address is better, like the one you see on the screen. This is my example. That is admin@legitcashstore.com. admin@legitcashstore.com. Of course, you may use your Gmail or Yahoo, but by my experience, I've discovered that if you want your email not to go to spam, and also to fight against your mail, to position your mail to deliver into the inbox of your subscriber, it's better you use customized email based domain name based email address. That will give you credence before GetResponse, and also they will see you as a professional, and there will be, your email will have a limit. It will not be going into a spam box of your subscriber. So like I said, you can go for Gmail or Yahoo, but I will advise, if you can know how to go about it, creating your own email domain name based email address, which I believe anybody can do. So when you get this one, then you need identity card. It can be voters card, it can be national card, national ID card, it can be driver license card, it can be your working place ID card, or any other card, even student ID card, to show your name and your picture before your account, so that for your account to be verified. If not, if your account is not verified, you will not be able to receive subscriber, and you will not be able to send email to the email out. So that is just that, because without identity card verification, your account will be limited. You will not be able to receive subscriber, you will not be able to send email out. And like I said, you need inviting link. This inviting link is what qualify you for $30 gift from GetResponse. the unique invitee link, someone must invite you to be entitled to $30 gift from Get Response. This is a win-win thing. Look at it on the screen here. This is from Get Response. Get Response said invite friends to Get Response. For every friend who joins Get Response as a paid customer, you both receive a $30 credit. So it's like I said, it's a win-win game. The person you invited will get $30, and the person that invited them also will get $30. And for the purpose of this training, I'll quickly, this is my invitee link. If you want to join through my link, through my invitee link, you can copy this one or you can use this one. Anyone that you can easily remember, you can copy it. Either you use this one or you use this one. So if I really want to use this one just for this training, and I will go to our browser, paste it there, and we will go. That is how to kickstart our registration with Get Response through the invitee link that I'm giving. Like I said, you can use this one or you can use this one. So immediately you copy this one or any of this one and you paste it on your browser. Then you will get to a page. You get to a page like this, as you can see on the screen. So this is the Get Response page. Can you see now? So you get to a page like this. Immediately you get to a page like this, the next thing you have to do is click on sign up free. So immediately you enter your invitee link and then click on sign up free. So I'll click on sign up free. Immediately you click on sign up free. Can you see now? Immediately you click on sign up free. Can you see that is start your free trial now? Just type your name. For example, I'll just say, let me write a name. Let me write a name. Just type a name. Just type a name. Let me say support at legit-tutor.com. Oh, sorry. What it? You write your name. Let me write a name there. Just write a name. Let me just write a name. Just let me write Lawale. I have an account with them, so I will not want to create an account. I will write Olawale, and then maybe you do that. Put your email here, enter it, and then create your password as you want. And you can see on the screen the passwords must be at least 8 characters mixed with letters and numbers, and then mixed with lower and upper case. That is, your password must be minimum of 8 characters, and then you must mix letter and word together. And the letter and word you want to mix together must be at least mixture of lower and upper case. And also you must use special character, e.g. at. So let's just look at the screen here. If you want to, like me, I want to create a password for that, I'll just say, okay, let's do Olawale. So can you see now? At, let me say at, or dollar, or star, or what again, plus. But you just have to put or percentage. Just put any special character there. So but for this purpose, let me say, okay, at, and then at what, you can put it at get. Let me clear that is my password. I'm only using this one as a sample, just for you to know how to combine it. Number one, it is about 8 character, and it is in fact more than 8 character. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Can you see? And there is mixture of lower case and upper case. This is 0 capital O, and the other one small, and then special character. So that's what you have to combine to make up your your password. So let us use this one for the training purpose. I will paste this one here. So, okay, there's no number. Can you see now? It's not showing green, so no number. So I will come back. Let me see. So Olawale, let me say Olawale 1. Okay, I think that would be okay. That is combination of letters and figures and a special character and special in capital letter. So I think this one is okay. So let me this another. Okay, can you see now the screen? Everything is green. So let me change. Now go to create. So you now create. Immediately you click on create. Your account is there was an error created. Please contact our complaint. Okay, there was an error creating your account. Please contact our compliance team or try again in an hour. Okay, but whichever way, immediately your account is created, they will send confirmation link to your email, whereby you have to confirm your email link. When you confirm the email link, then you start to set up your account. That's just the basic process. Don't forget your name, your email address. You can use Yahoo, you can use Gmail, but like I said, that I will advise that you use your domain name or your own domain name based email. After all, you are doing affiliate, you must have registered domain name and hosting. So whereby you'll be able to create your email address, that is website, your web page email, you'll be able to create it. So that's just the what I think you need to do, and then create your password in accordance with this requirement on the screen. Create account. Maybe you create the account, there will be a confirmation link that will be sent to your email. Then go ahead and confirm it. After you've confirmed it, then in your dashboard there will be you will see a place where you are asked to you will be asked to verify your identity. So click on it, then you upload your identity card that you want to use. Any of the identity card you want to use, you upload it, and immediately you upload it, your account will be, the limit on your account will be lifted. Then from there you can be able to use your account to send email and to receive email. So I think that is the simple way to quickly create your own Get Response account and get $30 gift immediately after you have registered. So I believe that you get it and should be able to go ahead and do your registration. Following the process, you need a customized email address, or you can use your normal Gmail and Yahoo. As a matter of fact, as a beginner, you can use your normal Gmail and Yahoo, but you have to change some setting when in your account, whereby you can change your email that people will use, that Yahoo with the Get Response will use for send to and from email. So get your email address, get your identity card ready, get your invitee, as you can see on the screen. So then in 5 minutes your account will be set up. So if you have any question or any inquiry as regards what I've just taught now, you can contact me on the number on the screen or through the email address on the screen. And in my subsequent video I will be recording or showing you how to use your Get Response account to set up your subscriber list, opt-in form, follow-up mail and newsletter. Once again, it has been the first opportunity to do once again. Go ahead and create your Get Response account in 5 minutes, following all the procedure I've mentioned here. See you at the top and doing the best and the success in affiliate marketing and any other information marketing you may be doing. Thanks. It has been the first opportunity once again. Have a nice time.